Menta kasni ka active cases kalong lais pa life Hyundai ngut, but ke total active cases apo ke jela megala jongi borok kuwe kapoi hajar khat kendai ngut, but menta kasni ki ba recover le ni ki bala climb ki don ars pa sau ngut. Nilaya thir jingmut bha hakewedei bat ka jingdon ka marba mardi hapo ka jela megala jongi borok kuwe ngas ngeu bha ban pentip ya ki ba nong song snong jong ke jela megala bakim dei ban kuslai ka marba mardi ka stok kadang biang bat kim dei bandon kanu ka jing syapting nang ne sekmat namar nakal yang sorkar ngi pej benia yakani man kasngi bat kabaar kabang kwa ban pentip ang neru ka sorkar India kala sanction shu ya une ukau ubangi ju ai san kilo shikle hakawei pakawei ka yin kibahap hapo ka AAY but PHH category ya une ukau ngila ai order ya borok ki wholesalers hapo ka jela bakin lift na ki FCI go down baper bat banra salaki jong ki jaka khnang ba nyo ban sam no mentau benai ngila dep siu pisa na kamta sau pho hajar teli ki vaksin hakador lais pa tengka kawei ke vaksin but tang khendiat sngi nang ne ngin sayo ya kan ni ke vaksin but hadin bangila yo ngin sa ai inject ye ki pajba nong song snong jong ke jela ke jongi claim da don kam ban siudor AA ka sorkar kan siu ya ka dor jong ke vaccination baro habong sau pho arjatli philasung thu namar ba sau pho arjatli ka bamut ki don kaman ai ardos ka bamut don kam la kum nuru arpu hajar mut panai namar ba ki habat pendep se ka dos ka baar government of Meghalaya in fact wanted to start vaccination drive tomorrow itself. That is a wish. But as I said to you, I think this crisis happened not only to Meghalaya, to each and every state in India, even to the country as a whole. So therefore, I can't comment anything on that. Luckily, at least 42,000 has been clearly paid, and we are waiting for this lot to reach the state of Meghalaya.